Now, today we're going to solve for antiderivatives or same as the integration or basically integration. Now, let us learn first the formula for integration. Now, using the power rule, d over dx, x of n, quantity x of n, is equal to n of x n minus 1. Now, on integration and antiderivative, we'll use this formula. So, derivative of x raised to n dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, which is the constant. So, let's try practicing different problems using these formulas from easy to difficult ones. Let's go. Now let's try this one. Derivative of 6x raised to 9 dx equal to, which is 6. Find the derivative of 6. X is 6x 9 plus 1 over 9 plus 1 is equal to 6x raised to 10 over 10 plus c. Now we can cancel this one or reduce this one to lowest term. So divide both sides by 2, which will give us the result of 3 over 5x raised to 10 plus c. So that's how we solve for this simple antiderivative problem. So we get the n, which is 6x, and which is our x, I'm sorry, and our n is 9, so we add 1 on it, and on the denominator we use the 9 as our n plus 1. Then we combine and solve those, we equate those, then plus c, then we reduce it to the lowest term, then plus c. So this is the answer for our first problem. Next is we're going to solve radical function. Now let's try to find the antiderivative of cube root of x raised to 4 dx. Now we're going to write this as x raised to 4 over 3. Now your index number will go to the denominator and your exponent will go on the numerator. So 4 over 3 dx. Now we need to solve it just like our formula is x 4 over 3 plus 1 over 4 over 3 plus 1. So 4 over 3 plus 1 is same as 3 over 3, which 3 over 3 is equal to 1. So 3 over 3 plus 4 thirds is equal to 3 over, I mean 7 over 3. X raised to 7 over 3 over 7 over 3 plus c. Now, x over 7 over 3 is basically as x multiplied by 3 over 7. So, if we wish to compute that, we will get, let's multiply it by 3 over 7 3 over 7. So this will cancel, cancel, cancel. Well, the final answer will going to be 3 over 7x raised to 7 over 3 plus c, or you can rewrite it as x 7 over 3 square cube root of x raised to 7. So that plus c. So this will be our final answer. Let's try on solving on trigonometric expressions. Now you have to remember that we have a table or set of expression that is equivalent on our trig functions on the antiderivatives one. So here it is. And now we're going to solve for 1. So let's try on solving and finding the anti. Now we're going to find the antiderivative of 4 sine x minus 5 cosine x plus 3 secant squared x dx. Now, remember the antiderivative of sine x is negative cosine x minus the antiderivative of cosine x is sine x. So 5 sine x plus 3, the antiderivative of secant squared is tan x. So tan x plus c. Now to write it, we have to copy the sign. So 4 times negative cosine x is negative 4 cosine x. Negative 5 times sin x is minus 5 sin x. Plus 3 times tan x is 3 tangent x plus c. So this is our final answer. On to the last one. Now for the final example, we're going to use the method named u substitution. So let us first determine what to do on u substitution. So let me give you some example. So find the antiderivative of 4x x squared plus 5 raised to 3 dx. Now we're going to have our list here, u and du. So our u will be what is inside here. So x squared plus 5. So we will copy the exponent right now. And the du is the derivative of x squared plus 5. So the derivative of x squared is 2 and 5 is 0. So we won't take care of that. So 2x dx. So to cancel out 2x, we'll divide both sides by 2x. Cancel, cancel. So our dx is du over 2x. So we're going to write it here. We're going to replace x squared plus 5 by u and dx by du over 2x. So let us solve for this 1. So let us write as 4x multiplied by u cube multiplied by du 2x. So we're going to cancel this one and this one. Then the number will go outside 2, then u cube du, then equal to, we're going to multiply 2 by u to the fourth over 4 plus c, which give us the answer of 1/2 u raised to 4 plus c. Now we're going to substitute now our u with the given here in our u. So the final answer is 1/2 x squared plus 5 raised to 4 plus c. So that is all for antiderivatives problem and solution. Goodbye.